There is a big, gigantic beehive here. Right there. Look at this. That is huge. Looks like a big, giant football. Wow, that's an indication of how much snow we're going to have, because usually the old saying was, check a beehive. If it's up high, you're going to have a lot of snow. If it's low, it's going to be low snow. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's going to be a big winter. Very high snow. Did you catch that sound? I had to shut out just so you could hear it. I hope you did. But look how big that beehive is. Wow. I would say it's probably a good 18 inches long. Very nicely shaped. Like a super big football. Alright, hope you've enjoyed my bringing it to you. Get ready for a heavy winter. Alrighty, bye-bye.